Make a great choice today with 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.